Today I'm going to show you how I organize my kitchen. You are always seeing my kitchen from that side, but today I'm going to show you from this side. This is the view from my side. Japanese kitchen is relatively small, as you might already know, so how you organize the pantry and kitchen tools are the key to making healthy meals on an everyday basis. This is my kitchen. As you always see, I prepare food here in the center of the kitchen counter. And I cook on the left-hand side. I don't have a dishwasher to keep the storage space. And I wash and clean ingredients and dishes on the right-hand side. I don't have to move around, and behind the sink there is a refrigerator. This small drawer is for the kitchen utensils. The utensils I showed you in the previous video are all here. I forgot to introduce this potato masher. This is very sturdy and compact and very easy to use. Keeping it simple is key to making your job easy. And next, I put all my frying pan and the pot in the drawer under the fish griller. This place might have a chance to get warm while cooking, and it's close to the gas stove top, so it will be the place for the cooking tools. I put all the frying pan stand up side by side. It does not look really neat or organized, but it's easy to take it out and put it in the same place. Each item should have its place to put in. And under the cooking tools, I put dried ingredients for Japanese cooking. It's my pantry. We don't usually have a big pantry like other rooms, so we should keep everything in a very compact space like this. I don't think having a pantry is always good, because if you buy food to fill the pantries, you might forget what you got in the pantry. I have umeboshi, canned tuna, or variety of dried seaweed, or mixed flour for the okonomiyaki or tempura butter, or panko breadcrumbs are here. When you open the drawer, you can see everything in place. You can see what is running out or plenty, so this style is suitable for organizing for me. Now let's go on to the center drawer. This place has no chance to get humid or temperature rises, so I put dashi ingredients and noodles. Once I open a bag, I put the package into another bag to keep it fresh and longer and keep the package. I want to keep it for the instruction. So my drawer looks like a little bit messy, but actually I like it. This place was initially for the dishwasher, but I wanted to keep the space for the food and kitchen utensils, so I didn't equip with the dishwasher. My friend said washing the dishes by your hand is just like washing your clothes by hand. But I have a lot of dishes that you cannot wash in the dishwasher, and I like dishwashing, so I choose to have more storage for my kitchen. Under the dashi ingredients and the pasta and noodles, there are a bunch of snacks for my son. My son is now a college student and he doesn't live with me anymore, but I don't know when he's coming home, so I prepare the snacks for him. I know this is a little bit too much, but after the pandemic, I tend to buy a lot of food. Before the pandemic, I didn't stock this much of food. And the next drawer, under the sink, is for the bowls and the other kitchen utensils. This place will have humidity and the temperature rises, so I don't put any food here. All the bowls and strainers stack like this and put in here. And I have lids and wire racks for deep frying, and the knives can be stored here securely. Under this drawer, I put all the heavy stuffs here. I put donabe and surikogi grinder. Earthenware cooking tools are very heavy, so I recommend to put them close to the floor. When you drop this heavy stuff on the floor, there is a high chance to be broken and you might get hurt. And I put the daikon grater and airtight container here. Alright, that's it for today. I hope the video is helpful and I hope your happy eating challenge is going to be more manageable. Click like and subscribe and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.